Top 5 AI tools to skyrocket productivity in 2025. AI is transforming the workplace. And it's not just about efficiency, it's about transforming industries altogether. In this video, we're covering 5 must-have AI tools that will change the way we work. 1. AI Task Manager, Trello. Still juggling sticky notes and chaotic to-do lists? It's time for a productivity upgrade. Trello lets AI learn your habits and schedules your day for you. Imagine having a productivity coach in your pocket, helping you reach your goals without burnout. No more missed deadlines or stressed-out work. Trello's AI gives you a foundation, but your creativity is what makes it shine. 2. AI Content Generators, WordLift. We're all about creating content fast and efficiently. WordLift is your AI-powered assistant for writing blog posts, emails, and SEO-optimized websites. It has a personalized writer who knows your style and can create content without a finish line. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to smooth, efficient content creation. 3. AI design tools, Adobe Fresco. Want to create eye-catching graphics or websites? Fresco lets AI handle the heavy lifting, giving you a personalized design experience. No design expertise needed. With Fresco, you input your ideas, and within minutes, have professional quality visuals. It's creativity simplified. 4. AI marketing automation. Marketo. Want to automate your marketing? Marketo can find the best time to send personalized emails, post on social media, and analyze your audience, all on your schedule. If you think marketing is just about blasting generic emails, think again. Marketo gives you a unique advantage, helping you stay ahead of the competition. 5. Predictive AI tools. Google Cloud AI Platform. AI is no longer just about analysis. It's about predicting your next move. Google Cloud AI Platform learns from your habits and identifies your peak productivity hours, suggesting tasks for maximum impact. Imagine knowing exactly what to focus on for maximum impact without wasting time. But do you trust AI for your success? If not, someone else will. And let you achieve more with less effort. Are you ready to embrace AI? Start today.